Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix exposure being too bright or too dark on Nikon Z30. Okay, so if I go to the camera now, if your exposure is too dark or too bright, try changing the mode to a different one. If you're in manual mode, everything is manual, so unless you have the auto ISO set, but yeah, you can enable or disable auto ISO and stuff like that. But basically, if you set it to something, then it'll just be either too bright or too dark, and that's something you need to accept. But in other automatic modes, it should make the exposure great, but to actually let it have the exposure that you need, you may want to adjust the exposure compensation by pressing and holding on the exposure button, and while doing so, sliding this dial up or down to adjust the exposure. You can also check the metering mode, because sometimes in some environments the current metering mode will not be okay. So I'll click on this eye icon, and then I can find metering right here. Then you can find matrix metering, center weighted metering, spot metering, or highlight weighted metering. Try changing these modes and see which one works for you in the environment and conditions you're shooting in. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.